Alright guys, so we are going to be writing a program that can be used to add numbers from 1 to 100. Go from 1 plus 2 which is 3, 3 plus 3 which is 6, 6 plus 4 which is 10. So you can simply write a simple program that can help you add those numbers and give you the sum. First thing you are going to do is get a total number which is equal to 0. Then you are going to write a for loop. You say for number in the range of 1 to 101. The reason why we are putting 101 is because for a range it's only going to look from 1 to 100 excluding 101. So the next thing you do is to say total number is equal to total number which is 0. Your total number now is 0, then plus number which is going to be the individual number which is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on and so forth till it gets to 100. Finally, you are going to print your total number. Click on it. So as you can see, we have 5050. So that is the sum of number